Hello, in front of me I've got Realme Narzo 50 Pro. In this video I'll show you how to connect pendrive to your smartphone. In the beginning, make sure that your pendrive has a USB-C stick and then go to settings. Now search for OTG connection. Enter it and switch this button on. Now you can simply plug your USB pendrive to the charging port, enter My Files app, and your OTG pendrive will be available right here. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.